Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to today's video. Today I will be, as you can see by the title, customizing, installing and styling this hair. Today's sponsor is Luv Me Hair. Thank you so much for sponsoring this video. This is their 4x4 lace closure 24-inch straight hair. This hair is actually quite long. I'm so impressed by the length. I am just in love with this hair. This is my new favorite wig. I bleached the knots on the closure and then I washed the hair, obviously so that like the bleaching process would stop. I just decided to wash the entire length of the hair and it didn't like dry up or frizz up. Like you can see that the wig is still all like silky. So I was really happy about that. And then what else did I do to this wig? Oh, I did cut layers into it. You will see that at the end of the video. I just cut these layers, so like face framing layers, so that the wig is like more flattering on me, and I am really happy with those as well. The hair was easy to cut, the lace was easy to bleach, everything is just great. So I'm going to link Luv Me Hair's Instagram website and the direct link for this hair in the bio. So when before I had actually tried the hair and I posted it on my Instagram story, someone replied to my story and they were like, oh my gosh, I love their hair. And I get them because I'm really impressed by this hair. I'll obviously see as time goes on the durability and stuff, and I'll let you guys know, but this is definitely my new favorite wig and you guys are going to be like seeing it a lot. But let's get straight into the video. Thank you guys for tuning in. I'll also see you in my next video because I didn't say anything at the end. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. I will see you guys in my next video. I love you so much, my angels. This is the box that the wig came in. I was so obsessed with it. It's so pretty. And inside the box there were two dust bags. The purple one is the one that the wig is actually inside, and it also came with a wide-toothed black comb. Inside the white bag there was a pair of lashes that I'm excited to use, two pairs actually. It also came with these stick-on nails. It came with the scrunchie, which I'm a fan of because I really love scrunchies. It came with these gold hoops, and it also came with this bag holder for like if you're sitting at a table or anything like that. And I put the wig on my wig head inside out so that I could bleach. I used the New Light highlighting kit. It came with the bleach and the developer. I used 30 developer. It also came with gloves, and I've had this brush from a previous bleaching kit. I mixed up the bleach to a thick consistency. As you can see, it's quite thick, like it's not runny at all, and that is because I don't want it to seep through the wig and actually bleach the hair. I kept it on for 30 minutes and there's me just waiting for it before I washed it out here. And then I actually washed the hair with purple shampoo on the lace, and then I went through the entire length of the hair with shampoo and conditioner to get rid of any bleach that was there. Hi besties, as you can see, or like I said in the introduction of the video, I am installing this closure wig today. I went ahead and I pinned the hair back, and things that I did do off camera. You saw in the beginning of the video that I bleached the knots on like the closure, and I did go ahead and wear I'm wearing a wig cap. I'm not doing the whole cap method or anything like that. I'm just simply wearing the wig cap and I put foundation on it. This part of the video is definitely going to be voiceover, so I'm going to get straight into laying this wig. Okay, so for starters, I'm going to just so I took a pin and just clipped the little closure piece back because I didn't want it bothering me while I'm using the glue on my head. And then I went ahead and I took my bold hole. Sorry, this is Gold Bond and it's from Take a Lot. You can get on Take a Lot. Just put it across where the closure will actually be, and then use a rat tail comb to spread it and like make sure it's smooth before you start blow drying. You need to blow dry and blow dry and blow dry until it's clear before adding the second layer.
I wake from my slumber. I wish I could call you up. Miss how you put your love on me. Boy, you got my number. Wish I could feel your touch. Wish you could follow up on me. You never know when to chill. Always talk about keep it real.
Once the second layer is tacky and the glue is clear, I took off the pin and I pulled the closure forward so I can glue it down. Then I take a rat tail comb and I comb the hair backwards, pressing down on where the glue is, just so that it can actually properly get like stuck. And I keep doing that for a while before I take the blow dryer and blow dry while I comb, blow dry while I comb, blow dry while I comb. I find that this gives you a proper lay, you know. I took one of those face shaving or eyebrow shaving razors, and that's what I used to cut the layers. And you should cut in like a zigzaggy motion, because the human eye finds it harder to look at zigzags or something like that. I don't know, but that's how I've learned how to cut it. And then I'm blow drying again and adding extra glue anywhere where it's lifting, just so that my lace is stuck down everywhere. At this point, I'm sectioning hair out for my baby hairs. I didn't want to like put a lot of hair. Like I don't want the baby hairs to look crazy. Like this is a closure. I just wanted it to kind of imitate a frontal a little bit. That's why I was adding baby hairs. And I added the band so that my lace is melted while I cut the baby hairs and do all of that. Once I was done trimming the baby hairs, as you guys saw, I took off the band and then I immediately went and like took the straightener. So I learned this trick on TikTok to like curl your baby hairs before you actually put gel on them. I don't know what it does, but I've been doing it for a while. So that's what I did, and then I used Eco Styler and my edge brush to just lay those edges down, as you'll see me doing in the clips coming. Okay, so now we come to the part where I am layering the hair. I used the side that layers, the side that shaves the hair instead of actually straight cutting it. You can see that I am a little bit scared because I've never done this before, but I do like how it turned out. So I didn't start too high because the hair is quite long and I didn't want the layers to be at the top, but I just trimmed them down and I straightened just so that when I'm trimming the second time, I know exactly like what's going on with the hair, because I don't want to keep trimming when the hair is not straight, like bone straight. After all the layering was done, I went ahead and started straightening my hair in sections so that my hair would be as straight as like possible. I wanted my hair to be very, very straight and flat. You know, who doesn't want bone straight hair? Now I'm using my wax stick for my parting just to make sure that it's crisp and seamless before I go in with my hot comb later on. I am bumping in the ends of like the hair that I layered. I feel like it makes the hair look more voluminous. I don't know. The hair just looks like it has more volume and it just looks so cute. So that's what I was doing. Then I comb through it a little bit just so that it's like loose and flirty and fun. Now I go in with my hot comb to make sure that my parting is flat, my edges are bumped, everything like perfect. And this is the finished look. I look like a gorgeous girl. It's giving low-key 90s but not too much, and that's exactly what I was going for. So thank you for watching.